Hi there, this is Shravan Mukka, and I am a business transformation consultant by profession and an entrepreneur from heart. In my previous videos, I was referring about 12 core areas which, if handled properly, has the potentiality to transform any business or a startup into 100% successful mode. Please note that I am talking about transformation, a total makeover of a business or a startup, addressing any difficulty they might possibly face. I can assure that you name any problem or challenge in a business operation, I have covered the solution in one of my 12 areas. As you can see on the screen, I called the entire process as a 12-step business transformation process. I covered the fourth step, which I call as company analysis in my previous video, and I hope you enjoyed the same. Every single area is very crucial, as understanding each area will take you closer to your dream destination of empowering yourself with end-to-end business knowledge. Now, this is my fifth video on business transformation, and here I cover the fifth step, which I call org structure analysis. Org structure is the foundational framework which first determines how many stakeholders will be involved in a business cycle and then defines specific accountability. It can be called as organizational framework, which actually make the whole process run. Every department is unique and all departments are interdependent. The total organizational framework is the one which runs the show with end-to-end link. Without a right org structure analysis, millions of companies are failing globally. Business owners or founders who are lacking this crucial part is accounting to around 90% of the business failures. Now let's observe the link between org structure and business transformation. As you know, primary objective of a business transformation is to learn how to analyze and find the pain points any business or a startup or a company is facing and recommend the best possible ways with simple metrics. Org structure is the basic organizational structure which puts every action and person responsible for that action in a simple framework. So any product or service could be successfully launched if it has all the stakeholders properly defined and allocated. It ensures we do not miss any crucial part or process or stakeholder during the journey forward, and it comes with a perfect organizational structure framework. Hope you are now a little bit clear with the link between org structure and business transformation. Imagine you are a consultant or a job seeker or someone who is looking for career growth. If you are able to find simple ways which exponentially improves your skills and helps you to be a part of overall success journey of a company, what will you do? What if you have a deep knowledge on org structure analysis with end-to-end clarity? Does it improve your profile value or not? If you have a detailed understanding and knowledge on the org structure analysis, and if your potential client or employer know that you have this additional qualification, do you think can they afford to ignore you? You have to observe 2 points here. On one side, I'm talking about business transformation core points, and on the other side, I'm talking about developing the same skills for your profile. Business transformation does not happen by itself. Someone has to initiate the process. I'm trying to cover about improving your skills on one hand through business transformation, and on the other hand, showing ways how to showcase your strengths and knowledge to your target employer or the client. If you improve your org structure analysis skills and then project your profile, do you think you have to go behind the companies or they have to come all the way in search of you? And there are further potential questions related to this particular topic. Knowing answers to these questions will give immense confidence in addressing majority of the business challenges related to org structure analysis. The questions are something like, what is business model analysis and why it is important, how to do the org structure analysis, how important is business flow analysis, who are called stakeholders, and what should be the correlationship between each stakeholder, what is org structure map, and the list continues. To conclude, did you guess? Yes, you have to take action. Someone rightly said knowledge is not power. Applying the knowledge in right way at right time is the actual power. I would recommend your first action is to get 100% clarity on the questions I asked. Understand the power of questions. The more questions popping in your mind about the overall program, the better. Let's focus on questions only as of now and start getting the best understanding of all possible questions surrounding the topic. I would like to give an example here. Let me put a question as, please explain what is meditation. Yes, you heard it right. I'm just putting a straightforward, simple question. Please explain what is meditation. Now, just for a change, if the question was framed as, why do you think we need to do meditation? And list the possible scenarios where you think it would be useful. Did you observe the difference between the two questions? Both are based on meditation, but the second one forces you to think. When we try to question in as many ways as possible surrounding a particular topic, we automatically align ourselves with the topic and it drives us towards the answers. That is the power of questions. Now, apply the same logic here. Please don't try to jump into answers right away regarding org structure analysis. All I request you to understand the concept at a high level and list all the questions which you might get after going through the video. Stay connected with the total business transformation concept and I will come up with a grand solution by the end of 12 videos. And we can answer all the questions surrounding org structure analysis and how it is linked with your career progression. Please try to understand that this is the 5th video out of 12 and stay tuned for my next video on pricing strategy. Thanks for your time and I hope you enjoyed this video. All the best and I see you in my next video.